Don't give up. Fight for opportunity for all. Fight for dignity for all. Be who the AFT must be in this generation. We're fighting for public schools that are safe, welcoming, engaging, and relevant, and for the funding to do that, for academic freedom, for an economy that benefits all, not just those in the very top, to fight for a secure safety net, for a living wage, for access to health care and a decent retirement. Why are these not all American values that all Americans can fight for? Even when we don't agree on everything, we got to work together with our communities on that which is essential to the American dream and American opportunity. NYSUT is a community, and you serve a broader community. Our union community, our school community, our faith community. You are a critical part of the community that fights to protect our kids, our communities, our future, and our democracy. So let us answer King's question. Let's answer the question, chaos versus community, by building a future of opportunity and economic security for each and every American we represent and we serve. Hope over fear, connection over division. You do that every single day in your classrooms. If we want that promise of opportunity and dignity and respect and a better life for all, it starts here today. Thank you, and God bless you.